Should students be allowed to carry phones in schools? That is the question. Although the answer is not as easy as you may think, it is the main topic for debate in this lesson.
The use of smartphones in schools is a hotly contested issue, with advocates on both sides presenting compelling arguments. Proponents of smartphone use in schools argue that it can be an effective tool for learning, as students can use their phones to access educational materials and conduct research. Additionally, they say it can help students stay connected with their peers and teachers, facilitating communication and collaboration. On the other hand, opponents argue smartphones can be a significant distraction for individual students and the class, leading to decreased academic performance and increased behavioral issues. Also, they argue that excessive smartphone use can negatively affect students' mental health, as it can contribute to anxiety and social isolation.
To enjoy communicating about topics like this one, phones in schools, and receive helpful, relevant feedback on your English skills, please try this lesson or any other of the hundreds available at ArtisanEnglish.jp.